Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Express AI Image Generator. This powerful tool allows you to create stunning AI-generated images using simple text prompts and customizable settings, making it perfect for designers, marketers, or anyone looking to bring their creative ideas to life quickly. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express account. This will take you directly to your Adobe dashboard where you can explore various creative tools and features. Once you're in your Adobe dashboard, look for the option that says Generate with AI and click on it. This opens up Adobe's AI-powered generation tools. From the options presented, select Generate Image. This is where the magic happens as it takes you into the AI image generation workspace where you'll configure your settings and create your artwork. Now in the left panel, you'll notice several customization options. If you want to use a reference image to guide the AI's output, navigate to Reference Images and click the plus icon. This feature is incredibly useful when you want the AI to generate something similar to an existing image or style you have in mind. Adding a reference helps the AI understand the visual direction you're aiming for. Next, navigate to Content Type in the left panel, click the drop-down menu here and select Photo. This setting tells the AI what kind of visual output you're expecting, ensuring the generated image matches your intended use case, whether it's a realistic photograph or another style. After that, move down to Styles in the left panel. Here you'll find various artistic styles you can apply to your AI-generated image. Browse through the available options and choose your preferred styles by checking the box next to each one. You can select multiple styles to blend different aesthetic elements together, giving you more creative control over the final result. Now comes the crucial part. Navigate to the prompt section at the bottom of the editor. This is where you'll describe what you want the AI to create. Type your prompt into this field, being as descriptive or as simple as you'd like, then click Generate in the bottom right corner. The AI will now process your request based on all the parameters you've set. Wait for a few seconds while the AI generates your images. Adobe Express typically creates multiple variations based on your prompt, giving you options to choose from. The generation time may vary depending on the complexity of your request and server load. Once the images appear, review them carefully and select your preferred image by clicking on it. This highlights your choice and prepares it for the next step. Finally, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen and click Open in Editor. This takes your selected AI-generated image into Adobe's full editing suite where you can make further adjustments, add text, apply effects, or incorporate it into a larger design project. And that's it, you've successfully used Adobe Express AI Image Generator to create custom images. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.